how to turn off or on store notifications on Squarespace, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open your browser and here we'll find account settings. Click on it and then click notifications. Now after that just click notifications and scroll down, and here we'll find this one, store notifications. If you want to turn it off, just click on it and click apply to all existing sites if you want, and then click apply, and then you can turn it on again. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.